వెల్కమ్ టు పల్లవి ఎడ్యుకేషన్. సో నేను పర్టికులర్గా ఇవాళ పల్లవి మోడల్ స్కూల్ అల్వాల్లో ఉన్నాను. ఎక్కడ చూసినా పల్లవి పల్లవి పల్లవి. సో అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్లోనే కాదు, అదర్ యాక్టివిటీస్లో కూడా 100% సక్సెస్తోనే ఫుల్ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. సో ఇవాళ సిబిఎస్ఈ గ్రేడ్ 12 100% సక్సెస్తోని సెలబ్రేషన్స్ అల్వాల్లో అవుతున్నాయి. దీన్ని ప్రోత్సహించిన టీచర్స్తో, స్టూడెంట్స్తో మాట్లాడి వాళ్ళు ఎట్లా సక్సెస్ అయినారు అనే విషయంపై మాట్లాడదాం.
Monitoring our children and helping them where they are going wrong, not only at the end, because regular teaching learning assessment which helped our children to get excellent percentage. So the presentation skills, the minor mistakes where they are committing, question by question analysis, so all these definitely will help the child to get very good score at the end. So we focused from the beginning and providing extra coaching support those who really need, and minimum learning material also we have given to the children. So all this resulted in a very good percentage to our children. So really we are very happy, and once again congratulations. We wish you all the best in your next academic achievements also. So thank you, all the best.
The students have to do consistent hard work, not just buttifying the answers and all. So the way we teach in the classroom teaching what we do will help the students to score good marks, and that has been proved very much. And hearty congratulations. I am very happy to be a part of Pallavi, and you should also be feeling that you are a proud Pallavian. Thank you very much and have a very nice future. And all the best for all your future endeavors. Thank you, Nanu.
Namaste everyone. First and foremost, I want to congratulate everyone, each and everyone, that from my bottom of the heart, I want to congratulate everyone. It's a great success because it tells that hard work pays. So when you work hard, obviously it's going to work. Luck is only 20 to 30%. Hard work 98%. So you people worked hard and you had proved yourself. That's the greatest thing. And of course, I'm very, very happy to be the part of Pallavi. And of course, I feel that you people should be proud to be the Pallavians. And once again, hearty congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the students, parents and the teachers over here. I feel that the success of any student is a perfect combination between, or the coordination between, the students' hard work, parents' guidance and the teachers' effort. So I feel that it's a coordination between all of us. So well done to all the students for their success, and all the very best for the future.
First of all, I would like to congratulate each one of you for their hard work, and also the coordination between the teacher, principal, all our heads, the support that I as a teacher, as a mentor for the students, that I got it from all of you was so awesome. Like that's how I had to I had to congratulate each one of you like that, in such a way where they have achieved their success. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Priya Kaushik, and I've been in the school since class 1. And from class 1 to now, when I enter the school, probably the last day I enter the school, I'm feeling really nostalgic. And at the same time, I'm really thankful to each and everyone who were there with me since day 1. In class 11th and 12th, all my teachers, and specifically Vidya ma'am, our principal, all of them were there at every point in the journey. Any support I needed, they were there for me. Whenever I felt low or felt like I can't do this anymore, even my friends and family were there for me. And it just feels really nice and proud to be here at the last day. And overall, as well, I'm really happy for everyone else, all the other students who have worked so hard, and I'm really glad we all could do this together, and really thankful for all the support we got. Thank you so much.
So, Namaste everyone. I'm M.A. Rahul from grade 12. I've been a Pallavian since first grade. It's been a wonderful journey. I've met the best of the people here. I've got first experiences in almost everything. The education is really good, and I'm glad to be a part of Pallavi Model School Alwal. Yeah, I'm really glad to be a Pallavian. I'll always be a Pallavian.
And gracing the occasion. Thank you so much, sir. Dear parents, happy to have you all here. Without your support, it's the backbone for our student success. Thank you so much for your presence here. And without any delay, I would like to request Principal Ma'am to come and announce the success stories of our students.
Namaste, Chairman sir, heads, teachers, parents, and all my dear students. Today it gives me immense pleasure. In fact, I'm very, very happy because Intintai Vatudintai, as the poem goes, because of the support of our management, our chairman sir, Pallavi Alwal branch, every year it is setting a competition to itself. Last year, our toppers of grade 12 were 97.2, but this year it is 98.8. Proudly, I can say, under the leadership of all our heads and the management, the freedom what they have given, and continuous support from the teachers, our students are doing extremely very well. And then we are almost all, I can say, city toppers, because I have cross-checked with some 7 to 8 reputed schools. Everywhere, commerce percentage is more, but nowhere I could see science percentage. Only Alwal branch across DPGS, we can say, we have scored 98.8 percentage, and this is possible because of the consistent support, and the student has 100% belief not only in himself, he has trusted his teachers, and the parents have supported so much. So it is none other than Jayant has scored 98.8 percentage. And the competition is very high, and the second followed by Mayuk with 98.4, and then Raghav with 96.4, and so on. The percentage has continued. So in commerce stream, we have Gurnur with 95.4 percentage, and Siddharth with 95.2, just 0.2 percentage. And then with Aishwarya with 94.6. So here children and parents, what I want to convey, one important thing is, nothing can substitute the classroom teaching. Students are, will you please put your phone on silent mode? The child who is saying hello, I think Shashwat, put the phone down. So this is the way we pay attention to our students in the classroom. We don't allow them to carry mobiles, but the freedom is given. They can bring the mobile, but they are supposed to deposit. So here mobile example I've taken, but in the classroom teachers pay one-to-one attention. When they're doing something wrong, when they're not paying attention to what the teacher is saying, they'll catch hold of them. With the constant monitoring from the teachers, YouTube cannot substitute. Or the next toppers or the physics wala, all these online classes, nothing can substitute. Children have to be focused in the classroom. Once they are focused, what the teacher is teaching, if they pay attention, 100%, they will bring laurels. So for that, examples are standing in front of you with Jayant or Siddharth. These children, they are literally paying attention to the teachers. They did not depend on the YouTube learning or any other classes, right? And here one more thing I just want to tell about Siddharth. He's traveling every day from Tarnaka. Our bus doesn't go there. When his parent came for admission, he has asked me, ma'am, will you provide some help? So that time via media, some point, we could help him. And finally, with that hard work, he's one of the toppers, second topper, right? He deserves a big applaud from you all. Okay, here I'll just take a few seconds to emphasize on the results. With 97 percentage and above, 2 students have scored, and 95% above, 7 students in science stream and 2 in commerce. 90 to 94, we have 3 students in science and 4 in commerce stream. 80 to 89%, 25 students in science stream and 13 in commerce. And 70 to 79, 19 in science stream and 12 in commerce. 60 to 69, 27 students in science stream, 15 students in commerce, and 1 in humanities. Generally, people think that humanities is one stream where if a student is passionate, then they will score 96% and above. Okay. So till last year, our students, we have to help our students, those who have studied with us till grade 12, who need that extra support. Majority of the schools and colleges have denied admission to them because they did not get that much percentage in grade 10th. Being our students, we are like mothers to them. We cannot say no. But in spite of that percentage, focus from the humanities stream, all children have passed in first class. That is a big achievement for us. And this time, yoga stream we have taken as a skill subject. Okay, 28 students have scored centums in that. And in chemistry, we have 2 students, Aditi and Dhiman, they have scored centums, 100 out of 100. And English, we have 2 students with 99 marks, that is Shanvi and Shiva. And then physics, only Jayant has scored 99 marks. I think majority of the schools did not get 99 marks also. Because this time, it is everybody are aware what type of corrections were done for grade 12. Yes, OSM, this online corrections, children were not prepared. They were also not aware, right? So this was a big challenge to teachers who have done the corrections. But it was 99.9% error-free corrections. And then in biology, Mayuk and Raghav got 99 marks. And in mathematics, Jayant, Mohit and Kirtivasan. Kirtivasan is the only child who has taken M by PC. This batch, he is the only child who took M by PC. And in accountancy, Aishwarya and Siddharth got 99. And economics, Gurnur with 96. BST, Divija and Aishwarya with 98 marks. And in applied mathematics, Aishwarya with 94. And history, 77 is highest. And physical education, Raghav and Sri Kirtana got 99 marks. And in IP, Jayant and Binati got 99 marks.
Good morning, all the parents, principal, vice principal, in charges, and especially 11th and 12th teachers, students. When we started this branch, it was almost isolated area, no growth was there. Then slowly we have grown up this branch, and all our schools are doing well, Pallavi and DPS. And this year, 12th correction, OMR seats corrections, it was very tough. And north teachers are collected south subjects, so area, and south teachers are collected north area. There is a little bit of very strictness is there, and because of the OMR, when small mistake also it is treated as no marks. When teacher physically corrects, there will be some half mark or 1/4 mark or 3/4 mark, like that will be. Now, fractions of correction, that marks are not given. That's why this time score is comparatively less to last year's. But in future, all exams, even 10th, 12th, all board exams is going to be corrected to the digital mode only. Then we have to prepare. I request all the teachers to adopt the same procedure so that students also every monthly basis, all the exams, they will have the practice. And especially some of the subjects like Hindi, the north papers, they dumped here. And if they are not Hindi teachers also, they said asked us to correct whoever you are having teachers
you correct them. That means the total system is not properly established, but anyway they have started. Because of they started, we have to adjust with the system, and only this marks is not only total parameter. Then you have JEE, MSET, and all IIT exams, and this is only one parameter. And congratulations, and keep touch with us and connect with alumni matters, and be touch with your teachers, and be advice to all your juniors. And because of the success is our teachers and parents, teachers collaboration, it is happened, and we'll try to focus more and give the our best, and we'll also try to improve further infrastructure and whatever is required. Thank you.
First of all, thank you for appreciating all the toppers, and congrats to all my friends also for their results. And Pallavi was a very good support for me, not only academic wise, but principal ma'am helped me manage my extracurricular activities also. I also finished NCC B certificate along with this, and yeah. So my journey here was a very adventurous step to come here, because all the students generally go to coaching centers, but my idea and my mother's idea mainly was that education should be very interactive and friendly. It's not like you should be buttering the concept or being in a very pressured environment. It has to be very free and friendly. Then only one not just understands but can apply the concept in anything. So the teachers, they helped me every way through concept. They explained in a very interactive way, and they would even spend extra time for me whenever I go to them in their free hours also. They would help me. And principal ma'am, she was a really big support. She helped me manage everything, and all the teachers and principal ma'am were really friendly. And at home, my mother and father both were very supportive, and my mother was the person who used to give me the strategy at home. So this way, as ma'am said, all together gives the outcome. I am here standing now. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone who is over here. I mean, no matter how much percentage you've scored, but then I did see that everyone did their own hard work for the past 2 to 3 months. So I would like to congratulate everyone who gave their best. And I would like to thank my parents, of course, who gave me that environment and support so that I can study properly. And they made sure that everything that I needed, whether it's the environment, the food, or the reference material that I wanted for my score, they made sure it was available to me. Then I would like to thank my principal ma'am who gave me all the support and who believed in me. She gave me that confidence, and she gave me that confidence that I can score high and I can dream of it. And then I would like to thank my subject teachers who tutored me in 11th and 12th. The other day when I got my mark sheet, that moment I was thinking about the conversation I had with Priyanka ma'am in grade 11th. So I was asking her a normal doubt in economics. I remember it was from chapter 1. And that time when we were having this conversation, she was explaining me so well that she got to a point and she told me that you can be a topper in commerce if you want, if you work for it. Then Sushila ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, and Sharif sir, and all the other teachers who are not present at this moment gave me that confidence. And I'll be very honest, because I did not expect that I'll score this high. I never even dreamt of it, but it was the teachers that gave me that unrealistic expectations that I can score that high, and I set some unrealistic standards for myself. So actually my target was to score 100 in everything, but then I scored what I scored, and I'm happy with that.
Thanks for support, ma'am, actually.
పల్లవిలో యాక్చువల్లీ మేము ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి ఎందుకు చదవలేదని యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా ఫీల్ అయ్యాను నేను. ఎందుకంటే తను ముందు చదివిన స్కూల్లో అంత సపోర్ట్ లేదు యాక్చువల్లీ. ఇంటర్లోకి వచ్చాక చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాను. ఎందుకంటే సెల్ఫ్ స్టడీని చాలా నమ్ముతాను నేను. సెల్ఫ్ స్టడీ తను అలాగే చదువుతాడు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి. తన ఇంటర్మీడియట్ కూడా ఈవెన్ జేఈ మెయిన్స్ కూడా అలాగే క్రాక్ చేయాలని నా కోరిక. ఆ సపోర్ట్ మాత్రం ఇక్కడ దొరికింది నాకు.
My son is with Pallavi since grade 2, so 11th year was a long and great journey. And after 10th, actually I was too much confused. I spoke to Vidya ma'am, I think 8 to 10 times what to do. See, I was sure I am going with CBSE and the school-based teaching, but as you know, wherever trends is going, I got confused. But Vidya ma'am asked me to believe in her, and she fulfilled her promise. We got good marks in CBSE. We are expecting good score in NEET as well. So again, thanks to all staff of Pallavi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
And sir, yes, how do you feel, on Aryan scoring 80%?
Yeah, I feel nice and being prepared for other entrance tests. He got a very good score in CBSE, and because of the teachers here in Pallavi school, they guide him very nicely, and they teach good. They used to have one-to-one interaction. Even it is too far for us, we have done admission here. I'm happy for that.
So, how did you receive the support of the faculty?
Yeah, they are very talented. They used to guide in each step, and they used to interact more with the students, and they used to have multiple exams in the CBSE pattern, and the practical was really good. Physics, chemistry, even mathematics, yoga, and physical education teachers are very good.
Okay, they have introduced the yoga as a subject.
Yeah,
It's already there in CBSE.
It's already there.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
And firstly, congratulations
Thank you,
for
ma'am.
scoring good marks in CBSE.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so what type of strategy did you use of scoring this?
For scoring 80% in boards, what I did was listen to teachers' guidance properly and doing what they taught, whatever homework assignment they gave, and attempting the board mock papers honestly and analyzing them where I went wrong. And yeah, these teachers and staff were very cooperative and listened to me whenever I needed to them in doubts, academic, non-academic, extracurricular activities. So I would like to thank Pallavi Model School Alwal for its support and its help to me.
Okay, what type of personal support, I may say, did you receive from the staff?
Like extracurricular activities like playing games, how to manage studies with it, and
Thank you so much and all the best. Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
నమస్తే,
Ela unnaru?
బాగున్నాను మ్యామ్. హియర్
ఓకే, కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఫస్ట్లీ. అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్లో ఇప్పుడు 100% సిబిఎస్ఈ గ్రేడ్ 12లో 100% రిజల్ట్స్ మీరు అచీవ్ చేసినారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. దిస్ ఈస్ కన్సిస్టెన్స్ ఎఫర్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ టీచర్స్, పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ అవర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. Especially our principal ma'am take care of each and every student, particularly from day one of the class. So we have separate session, one-to-one session with the students. We will identify their weakness and try them to overcome that weakness and perform very well in the examinations. So this consistency, nowhere I will find this type of attachment with the student. We have one-to-one attachment. We will understand their strength, we will understand their weakness, we will try to cope up with them. A friendly environment is created in the classroom so that students will excel in their performances and life also in future. They should not feel pressure like other schools and colleges. We will not pressure them to study, but will create an environment for studying in the classroom itself. We believe in classroom teaching, we believe in consistent support, we believe in focused learning, and we will believe in, especially in students, we will always try to benefit or do good for the students, and it is a student centric school, especially in Pallavi.
Sir, namaste firstly, and hearty congratulations on the success of the academic excellence today. అండ్ సార్ ఏం చెప్తారు సార్? ఎందుకంటే ఎక్కడ చూసినా గానీ గూడా పల్లవి, పల్లవి, పల్లవి. సో, మొన్న పల్లవి గండిపేట్ ఆ సక్సెస్ మీట్‌కెళ్ళినాం. ఇవాళ అల్వాల్. సో, ఇంత ఎక్సలెన్స్ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్‌లో అకాడమిక్స్‌లోనే గాకుండా స్పోర్ట్స్‌లో గూడా అదర్ యాక్టివిటీస్, ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, సైన్స్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అని గూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. ఇంత ఎక్సలెన్స్ సాధిస్తున్నారు గదా! ఎట్లా చేస్తున్నారు ఇదంతా?
దీనికి ఫస్ట్ క్రెడిట్ స్టూడెంట్స్కు. ఎందుకంటే పల్లవి స్కూల్లో ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ వాళ్ళు అప్పర్ మిడిల్ క్లాసు తర్వాత వాళ్ళకు ఒక ఆల్వేస్ దే లైవ్ దే వాంట్ టు స్టడీ అండ్ డూ హార్డ్ వర్క్ అండ్ కమ్ అప్ ఇన్ దర్ లైఫ్. దానికి తోడు పేరెంట్స్, మా టీచర్సు, ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ కానీ అందరూ కూడా సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ కూడా బాగా టీచ్ చేయడం, దాంతోనే ఈ మంచి మార్క్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. ఈ మంచి మార్క్స్ అనేది ఒక పార్టు. అది కాకుండా ఆల్రౌండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ చేసేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. పల్లవి కానీ డిపిఎస్ అన్ని స్కూల్లో కూడా స్టూడెంట్ ఎక్కడ పోయినా ఈ సబ్జెక్టు నాలెడ్జ్తో పాటు అంటే ప్రాక్టికల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎక్కువ గెయిన్ చేసుకొని ఆల్రౌండ్గా డెవలప్ చేసి మంచి ఒక సిటిజన్ తయారు చేయడం అనేది మా ఉద్దేశం. అందులో పాటుగానే మా ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ కానీ, ఇన్ఛార్జెస్ కానీ, సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్, ఐఐటి, నాన్ ఐఐటి గ్రూప్లు, తర్వాత స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అన్నిటికీ మంచి వాల్యూస్, సబ్జెక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ ప్లస్ స్పోర్ట్స్, పీవీ యాక్టివిటీ, వెల్నెస్ అన్నిటి మీద కూడా కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేస్తాం. దాంతోనే మా పిల్లలందరూ బాగా చదువుతారు. అందరూ కూడా వేరే మంచి యూనివర్సిటీస్కి వెళ్ళి ఇప్పుడు అందరు జాబ్స్లలో కూడా ఉన్నారు. ఐఏఎస్, ఐపీఎస్, గ్రూప్ 1 సర్వీసెస్, డాక్టర్స్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ అన్ని ఫీల్డ్లలో కూడా పల్లవి డిపిఎస్కు పిల్లలు చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. మేనేజ్మెంట్ తరఫున మేము సఫిషియెంట్గా వచ్చే బెస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీసెస్ కంటిన్యూస్గా ఎవాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. తర్వాత వాటిని వాడతాం. ఐటీ టెక్నాలజీ కూడా వాడతాం, ఏఐ కూడా వాడుతూ పిల్లలకు ఈజీగా ఎట్లా అర్థం చేయాలనేది మా మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్. దాంతో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మేనేజ్మెంటు, ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్, మా టీచర్స్, స్టాఫ్, ప్రిన్సిపల్స్ అందరూ కూడా సపోర్ట్తో వాళ్ళు బాగా చదువుకొని పైకి వస్తారు.
హలో మ్యామ్, నమస్తే.
Namaste.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు మ్యామ్?
All, I'm on cloud nine today.
Yes. And firstly, congratulations for the success which you all had for the academic excellence of CBSE grade 12. సో నేను ఇందాక మ్యామ్ మన చైర్మన్ సార్తో మాట్లాడినట్టు సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ నేను మళ్ళీ మిమ్మల్ని అడుగుతున్నాను. సో ఎక్కడ విన్నా కూడా పల్లవి, పల్లవి, పల్లవి. సో మొన్న రీసెంట్గా చూస్తే గడ్డిపేటలో సక్సెస్, ఇవాళ మళ్ళీ అల్వాల్లో సక్సెస్. అది ఎట్లా పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది? సరే ఒక్క బ్రాంచ్ అంటే ఓకే ఫైన్, మేబీ ఇంకేదైనా ఇష్యూస్, రీజన్స్ ఉండొచ్చు సక్సెస్కి. బట్ ఇంత సక్సెస్ ప్రతి పల్లవి స్కూల్లో, డిపిఎస్ స్కూల్స్లో అవుతున్నాయి. స్టడీసే కాకుండా వెరీ ఐ మీన్ అదర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ కూడా. ఎట్లా పాసిబుల్ అది?
Okay, this is a very tricky question. Frankly speaking, all our Pallavi group of schools, okay, chairmans are schools, we compete with ourselves. That means we compare ourselves with last year percentage, and then this year we have to set a target. Okay, last year it was 97.8, so this year it should be more than that. So for that, to achieve that percentage, we focus on children. Morning also, when I was talking to the parents, what I was telling is 3 pillars are very, very important. 3 pillars are, one is teachers, and next is student, and next is parent. These 3, if they work hand in hand, how we can get result? That is there in front of you with our topper 98.8. Proudly I can say we are one of the city toppers in science stream. I'm very happy to get this. Jayant has put in lot of effort and constant follow up by the teachers, and he believed, he trusted his teachers and all my team members. They were able to get this percentage.
హలో మ్యామ్, నమస్తే.
Namaste.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ మ్యామ్?
I'm too good, and we are so happy to have all the grade 12 students on the campus, and there's smiles on their faces, and it's very overwhelming for all of us.
Congratulations for that, ma'am. So it wouldn't have been possible without your support also, I must say. So like what type of support you are giving, ma'am?
It's a collective effort, basically. The teachers of grade 11 and 12, the senior most teachers of the school, they are the backbone of this success, basically, and the drive they have among the students and the academic river they cultivate among the students is it's commendable actually, and the support by principal ma'am, all the subject teachers, all the HODs, and the inputs at the right time to the right student is something which is really remarkable. And then the counselors also here, the career counseling and the student counseling whenever it is required, and they never said no, and they have extended and they have gone beyond their boundaries to help all our students. And thank you so much all the senior secondary teachers for this success.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. Thank you. Firstly, congratulations for the academic excellence which grade 12 have been achieved today.
Thank you so much.
And ma'am, just tell us one thing.
Yes.
So, what type of support did you all give to the students for this excellence?
Being a grade 10 teacher, and I'm taking care of the primary also. So, from the beginning, we have seen these children growing. So, every step, every teacher has put in so much of efforts, giving them remedial coaching and individual attention. The ones who were the high scorers, they were given the support according to whatever they deserve. And the mediocres also were given the support from the school through worksheets, and specially made differentiated worksheets that helped every child.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So, firstly, congratulations on the success of the academic excellence today of CBSE grade 12.
Thank you so much.
How is it possible for so much success for all the Pallavi schools, not only this branch? Maybe I can see the last time when I visited Gandipet also. So they all have also succeeded with the excellent marks.
Yes.
So how is it possible?
It all starts with the leaders of the schools, I must say, and the way they guide their teams. And we have a wonderful team of teachers as well who are having so much of expertise in each subject. And we have, like, they keep going to workshops as well, and they have been trained so well with all the CBSE circulars and the notifications that they do. And not only that, the team is always focused and they are very much updated with the new trends that are happening in the educational field. So that is the reason for the secret of our success, and it is all about the teamwork, I must say.